Welcome to our channel. If you want to permanently delete your Airbnb account, follow these simple steps to close your account and remove your data. Step 1. Before deleting your account, cancel any active reservations as both a guest and a host. You cannot delete an account with pending bookings. Step 2. Log into your Airbnb account by going to airbnb.com and entering your email and password. Step 3. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Account from the drop-down menu. Step 4. Navigate to the Privacy and Sharing section in your account settings. Step 5. Scroll down to find the option Deactivate your account or Delete account at the bottom of the page. Step 6. Click on Delete account and read the information about what happens when you delete your account. You'll lose all reviews, messages, and listing history. Step 7. Airbnb will ask you to provide a reason for deleting your account. Select the most appropriate reason from the drop-down menu. Step 8. Enter your password to confirm your identity and verify that you want to permanently delete your Airbnb account. Step 9. Click the Final Confirmation button. Airbnb will process your request and send a confirmation email once your account has been permanently deleted. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.